Hi everyone. Do you like these? Do you know what these are? This is a red, ripe strawberry, one of my favorite fruits. One of the things that I like about fruits is that you can appreciate them with all of your senses. You can see them and they look pretty. You can smell them and they smell good. You can listen to it. Oh no, you can't listen to it. You can taste it and you can feel it, and you can use lots of your five senses on fruits. People aren't the only ones that like strawberries. All kinds of animals like strawberries too. And today I'm going to read you a story about a little mouse who loves red, ripe strawberries. Would you like to hear it? Okay, here it is. The little mouse, the red, ripe strawberry, and the big, hungry bear. That is a very big, very red, very ripe strawberry. Let's find out more. Here's the title page. The little mouse, the red, ripe strawberry, and the big, hungry bear. Hello, little mouse. What are you doing? Do you see the mouse has a ladder? Ladders are a tool that can help you climb up high. Oh, I see. Are you going to pick that red, ripe strawberry? But little mouse, haven't you heard about the big, hungry bear? The mouse did not know about the bear. Does he want to share the strawberry with that bear? Look at his face. He does not want to share. Oh, how that bear loves red, ripe strawberries. Oh, the mouse is pulling so hard to get that big strawberry down. He's pulling and pulling and pulling and pulling. The big, hungry bear can smell a red, ripe strawberry a mile away. Especially one that has just been picked. Uh-oh. Boom, boom, boom. The bear will tromp through the forest on his big, hungry feet and sniff, sniff, sniff to find the strawberry. Squeak! No matter where it is hidden. Has the mouse tried to bury his strawberry? Can you see what he used for a shovel? It's a spoon. He's so little that a spoon could be his shovel. No matter where it is hidden. Or who is guarding it. Oh, it's got that strawberry locked up tight. Or how it is disguised. Oh my, is that a strawberry at the table? It's in disguise. Quick! There's only one way in the whole wide world to save a red, ripe strawberry from a big, hungry bear. I wonder what it is. Cut it in two. Okay. He pulled the top off the strawberry He's carefully cutting it in half. And share half with me. Is the mouse going to share his strawberry? What do you think? And we'll both eat it all up. Yum! He did share his strawberry. Such a little mouse only needs a half of a strawberry, and it's a feast. Now that's one red, ripe strawberry the big, hungry bear will never get. It is all gone. That is the end. Look what that mouse has on for a hat. It's the green part from the top of the strawberry. And that is the end of the little mouse, the red, ripe strawberry, and the big, hungry bear by Dawn and Audrey Wood. One fun thing that you can do if you like that story is that you could make some of the characters from the story out of clay or Play-Doh. Have you ever done that? My son Logan loves to make things out of clay, and he's going to show you what he made. Come on. Do you want me to hold it and then you can talk about it? Come close. So, I see a little mouse and a red, ripe strawberry.
Yes, that is what it is.
Can you tell kids who would like to know how to make things out of clay any tips for getting started and making their own animals and food out of clay?
You should first get some really good clay to start with, and then get multiple colors in case you need a lot of colors when you do stuff with it.
And when you first started making animals out of clay, was it easy to make a little mouse that looked like a mouse?
Yes, it was pretty easy.
Did you have to practice a little bit to get better?
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you for sharing your little mouse and your red, ripe strawberry with us. They're super cute. All right, and that is the end of our story about the little mouse and the red, ripe strawberry and that big, hungry bear that we never did get to see. Hey, maybe you can make the bear. I would love to see it. If you do, get a grown-up to take a picture and share. That's all for now. I'll be back again soon with another story. Have a great day. Bye.